I don't even taste ayam Arab.
No?
As I remember.
Usually you buy or langsung.
Buy.
Just buy. Typical anak kos. Hah? Is it? Right? Gitu. Biasanya anak kos.
Alright, any more question to Mr. Walter Rafdan, please? The same question, right? Yeah. What about you, sir? Do you have question?
I have a question.
Ah.
You said just now that you like fried chicken. Fried chicken so much, yeah? That's your first favorite food. Your second favorite food is
Meatball, yeah, meatball, yeah.
Bakso ini panas babi.
No.
so. Did you ever taste bakso Garuda?
Yeah, where is the location?
Huh? I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
Because I cannot eat also.
Oh, yeah. So your second favorite food is meatball, right?
Since 2007, I haven't tasted bakso anymore. I have a dish.
In Jerusalem, where is your favorite place? Usually near Urin or you know the name of the village?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Because I eat setiap bakso.
Oh, every
Bakso
day
in
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem mana aja.
Oh. So you don't, use, the private location, bakso like, 11 meatball or meatball, idola meatball, like. So every location like Demak meatball, everywhere you eat like, like.
In Langubung.
I know, I got it. Yeah, they be very cheap meatball, different 10,000 until 15,000, but there are still only 5,000. You know what? Very, very including for our, rain host people. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you.